Welcome to BarSculpt. My name is Jeni Colpoys. I'm a BarSculpt educator, and we're going to do leg lifts. So both of these ladies are going to stand with their shoulders over their hips, over their heels. I have them soften both knees, and they're going to lift their right knee into tabletop. And I want them to press their tailbones away towards the mirror and then pull your abs in to support. And then from here, you can start to lift the knee up towards your chest. So we want to make sure that the knee is starting in line with the hip. It's not going beneath the hip. And some clients with flexibility issues may not be able to do this, but you want to be aware that that's going to put this exercise into their hip flexor. Good. Now from here, you're going to lift the thigh and kick the leg out long and then pull it in. So it's a bend and stretch. Good. Both hips are going to stay in line with each other. So the hip of the leg that's working is going to very often start to hike up. So the obliques are trying to kind of pull up. So again, both you ladies could drop your working leg hip just a tiny bit. Good. Press the tailbone away towards the wall. Pull the abs up towards the heart for 3, 2. Now you're going to keep the leg long. We're going to externally rotate the leg and then bring it back to center. So the kneecap is rotating out and then pulling in. Now as your clients are going to get tired, they're probably going to start to lean back towards the wall a little bit. Their abs are going to maybe start to pooch out a little. So again, we want to keep the shoulders over the hips. They can even lean forward into the room, holding onto the bar. Now hold it here, flex the foot. You're almost done, ladies. And little presses up, up, straight leg lifts, up. Good. Abs are pulling in. Jeni, push your tailbone out a little bit more for 4, 3, 2, hold, and then shake it out, and we will switch sides. So again, I'm going to have you reset your hips over your heels, shoulders over hips, soften both knees, pull your belly button in and lift the left leg. Good, and then start to lift up. So a cue that you're going to want to give this whole time is kind of having them continuously press their tailbone towards the wall. And the concern may be that that would put a little bit too much of a tilt forward with the pelvis, but the weight of the leg is going to counteract that and will really help them stay in neutral. Now you can go ahead and lift the thigh and extend and bend the leg. And now the leg that they just worked is going to be, it's supporting them. So this side is probably going to tire a little bit quicker. So really continuing to remind them not to hike the hip of the working leg, to pull their abs in and press their tailbone away. Good, keep the leg long, and then you're going to externally rotate and then come back to center. Another good indicator of what they might be doing with their hips if they're hiking is you can watch their shoulders. When both these ladies are keeping their shoulders really still, you want to pull the shoulder blades onto the back body to keep the heart open. Now stay center with the foot, flex the foot, and lift the leg up towards the ceiling. Little lifts, lifts, lifts. Good. Try not to lift with your back, so press the tailbone away, pull the abs in, wrap the muscle around the bone for 4, 3, 2, up and hold, and then you can release. We would follow this exercise with the rainbow stretch.